Hello, everyone. Hello, hey, and welcome back. So, I got a question for you. When was the last time you ran your credit report? When was the last time you reviewed it to see what was on it, to see if what was on it was accurate, to see if things that were on it inaccurate? When was the last time you ran your credit report? So today we are going to do that. I'm going to show you how to get your free annual credit report. So every year you should get your credit report and review it and see what's on there to make sure that is on there is right. So what is your credit score? Before I continue, I'm Kiana Robinson and I am the founder of Uplifting Legacy. So today we're going to talk all about it, your credit report. So what is your credit report? Your credit report tells your financial decisions. It talks about what debt you have, how you manage that debt, how you repay that debt. So any loans you have, any mortgages you have, it will show you. It tells you what's on there, how much you owe, how much you pay per month, how many inquiries, how many times you've checked your credit or others have checked your credit. So it's very important to go ahead and run that report. So let's do it. All right. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay. So let me start from the beginning here. And first thing you're going to do is go to annualcreditreport.com. Annualcreditreport.com. Once a year, you get a credit report from all three bureaus. So go there first, and you're going to be brought to this screen, annualcreditreport.com. Lots of different tabs that you can ask questions. You can see the frequently asked questions, what you're looking for. Um, it gives you all great information. So you want to click request your free credit report. And then it's going to take you where you can fill out, tells you what's about to happen. These 3 steps, and they're easy steps. 3 steps. So you're going to fill out a form, which is going to fill out all your personal information. You're going to pick the reports you want. Do you want just Equifax, Experian? Do you want all 3? And then you review your credit report. So let's go. Starts to fill out your personal information. You have your name, your address. It's going to ask you to go next after you put in your personal information. And then here's where it says, hey, do you want all 3 credit report? And you do. You do, because you want to see what all 3 are saying. Because some creditors may only put one of them, only go through one of them. Some may do all 3. So you may see some inconsistencies, but what's on there, you just want to make sure that it's correct. So I did all 3. And it said, okay, you picked the reports. Welcome. So now let's go ahead and confirm the identity. So it's going to make sure you are who you say you are, and it's going to ask you to confirm it. So you could do a text or a phone call. So I had them do a text and send me the code. So then you go in and enter your code, verify my identity. And then here you are. It gives you your credit report. So I'm not going to show mine, but of course, when you look at yours, it's going to show you all of your people that you have accounts with, how much you owe them, how much you pay monthly, all of the great details. And then you have an option where you can dispute it. So if you see something on there and it's not accurate, dispute it, because they have to prove that it's correct or they have to remove it. So that's definitely what you want to do if you see something that is not correct. Now you see score on here. You can get a score, but just be mindful that it could be one of them. I think Experian does have a free option where you don't have to put a credit card in or anything, and it will give you a score. But others have go through a third party vendor, and sometimes they might say you might need to pay to see your score. So that is an option like this. So then you want to make sure you print or save your report. So I did print, it took it to a PDF, and I just saved it right onto my computer. Um, and then here is like an ad. It says that you can get your free credit score, create a free account. I didn't click it because I'm not sure if that's really going to take me to TransUnion or it's going to take me to a third party. But it says no credit card required, so you can try it and see if it gives you your score. Then once you click credit score, that's how you're going to click on the credit score tab here. That's where you're going to see get your next report or finish. So then you click that and then it'll go to the next one. So Experian or Equifax. So then you just do that for each one and then make sure you download or save them so that you can have them and then you review them to see exactly what is happening on your credit. So here it is. So then I went to my next one. So now it's taking me to Equifax. It showed me my report. And then it says how I can download it. So it's different places, maybe different ways to print or download it. But just look on the page and you'll find it. And then you can do the same thing next year. And so then it asks, do you want to return to go to the annual credit report? Or it says, no, I want to remain on this site. So I'll say return to annualcreditreport.com now. And then that'll take you to the next report that you can pull. And that's it. It's that simple. It's really simple, really quick. So get your credit report, review it, see what's on there, see if things are right. And if they are, you know what? It might be a motivator to be like, ooh, everything is right here in one list. So let me just print this or take a picture of what I owe and let me just start taking care of it. If you see my other YouTube video that is talking about getting out of debt, it talks about the debt snowball. So this will be a great place where you can say, oh, my smallest amount, I owe $150. I'm going to tackle that 150, pay the minimum on everything else and tackle that 150. Then when that 150 is taken care of, what's the next amount? Then what's the next amount? And it just keeps rolling over to the next and rolling over to the next. That's the debt snowball to take care of debt. So you can check out my playlist for debts in there. But I just wanted to take a few minutes and show you how to do your report. So let's do it. Run your report, see what's on there, and let's get ready to build wealth and legacy. Thank you and be blessed.